Welcome guys, so today I'm with JBL Flip Essential and I'm going to show you how you can pair this speaker with your MacBook. So at the first you have to power on the speaker by tapping on this power button. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, and in the most cases this power button will blinks on the blue, so it means that you are in the pairing mode. But in my case it's not the speaker is not in the pairing mode, so I have to use this Bluetooth button. So I have to click on it once. As you can see right now it's blinking and we are in the pairing mode. So we can put back this speaker and then simply we have to go for the Bluetooth settings on our MacBook. We have to enable Bluetooth and then we have to go for the Bluetooth preferences. Right now on the available devices list you will find the JBL Flip Essential. So we have to click Connect. And after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. As you can see, the last step that I can recommend you can go for the system settings right here, and then you have to go for the sound settings, and just to be sure that everything is fine, just switch from the MacBook Pro speakers to your JBL Flip Essential. So select your speaker, and as you can see right now you are on a 100% correctly connected. And here you can set the balance from left and the right, and also you can change the output volume by using the slider. If you want to mute the speaker, just click right here, and that's how we can make it. So as you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.